GM. This is your daily Solana news. Coinbase will be listing Bonk today at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And those that thought it was already priced in were wrong. Bonk up 45%. The price of Sol is up 9.6%, $72.40. Camino Finance is hitting goals. I love Camino Finance, and I recently did win the Super Team Earn competition. So check out my YouTube to learn Camino Finance. If you like BSOL, they have a new liquidity farming program here as well. There was an issue with Magic Eden and a recent NFT launch. They're going to make some changes and it will be back to normal soon. The Degen Apes have a new GIF, when. If you're a DApp and you don't have priority fees, please add them. All due products now have auto-confirm. Solana's TVL breaks 1 billion. $1 million worth of cocoa has been burnt and removed from the supply, mostly due to the land sales. My alpha of the day is to join the Gaming Big Brain Discord. There's a ticket sale happening today. It will go for 24 hours. I'll need to make a full video on this, but be there and check it out. Stay curious and we'll catch you tomorrow.